mai do mai pan khin mani bo adu nupi na yu thak pada mayam na saw se kai gi no khang brother adu gum di tawgum se ba wai se Tinkcool pakhat kanu si nang na haiwa na se ai na haim ni noi di mayam nge wang ta tholam ni se gum se ngang ba de gyan thai adu wai na di khudi kanam na ti kai no kana kai khang dur ge ngo da kana na subscribe tok dur ge channel di like ta nai ge nupi na yu thak pada mayam na saw se ai ut ke se si nupi na taw de si yu se ba de na hai yam pak te rashi do yaw de yu thai ne a bottle lam ga khin background na sana lap na le hele ni siti koi aduga unere ngapsiti tuka unere ita siengo pak te moi tok thorok pa se yu gi matang si do ado bro nupa su thagat le dudi nupa ge de tham dai du da yu do khar photo nam thagat khar ni lo re ai makha tam nu kam u phang pote aluga thak pa khot pe thagalak pa nupa du na aduna nupa seng ba khoi marak se tendre au dai nang na side amari wari ngang ne ri kan da side amari mo ko thore ji nang ji bro mayam na saw de na bani kai du ha na de nang jam ma pi ma ba da lai bak si ha na de YouTube ma sa am tok se le ga nang jam na nhập liền với xài đi đâu mèo vang thì mới sau thì nó mới sau thì nó mới ra khai nó ha đầu người bóng có ê mi mà sao giờ đây ý trưởng người ta sẽ làm ăn mà pi mà ba rồi xài đó mới sau thì nó mới xài đó mới sau thì nó mới auto processing anh hai bữa em muốn nát tiệc bro internet पे पैसा तान से लगता है depend đi đâu को. Hello everyone, the new year is in full swing and it's time for miracles and it's also time for gifts for your family, but where will you find the money for everyone? Have you bought the gifts? No? Don't be upset man, I got you. I will show you one cool thing and in the evening you will already be with gifts. Are you ready? This is the binany platform and everything is simple on it. You just simply push up or down depending on where the graph goes and you'll simply earn from it. Sounds simple, doesn't it? And also there are payments, many different type of payments. Choose the one that is most convenient for you and you can take it out on the same day. So everything is fast and simple here. But let's move from words to deeds and let's try to place a bet already. And in order not to waste time on trifles, we will put a large amount at once. Okay. Yes, you can see the dot. It's going down. Come on, man. Okay. It's going up. Up. You can see the graph is moving. Okay, go up. Go up. Up. Yes. Fine. Is it still easier than you thought? So what prevents you from making money without getting straight up from the couch? So if you haven't followed the link in the description, what are you waiting for? Money will not earn itself and gifts will not buy themselves. I'm sure you'll succeed the first time and you'll celebrate it in the evening. So guys, take everything into your own hand and start, and I'll still earn 1,000 more, so good luck to you all.